YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. So in that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. So in that case, also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. But I am going to take some of those and revamp them because I was not near sadly, I was not near as good as I am now with videos. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on. So I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here.
You take your mountain bike inner tube, or you can use a 10-speed, whatever you got. You can actually even use larger old style tractor tire inner tubes. I'm not sure if that's what this is, but it's something similar to that. But you can cut them up and make big giant hold downs. That's what I use these for a lot, is my ratchet straps. I get tired of them being slung out all over the place. That's obviously a huge one. I also got this bag here full of ratchet straps, and as you can see, I can pull them out, use them, put them back, tie them up. They don't get all tangled together, and I love that. You start out with a big full-size inner tube, cut it in half, and you got a big long inner tube. See, this is a piece that's off of another one. All you have to do, depending on your size, if you really want them fairly stretchy, make them pretty thin. If you want to have, something that doesn't have to be quite as stretchy, but it needs to be a lot stronger, you want a little bit thicker, because these will break. When you first start getting them going here, you want to take them and you want to kind of pull them apart. You want to get them warmed up. Just the friction alone will kind of warm them up. They really don't work as well when they're in the cold weather until you've done something like this. Take them, put them over the top of your straps here, and it holds them fine. My daughter even uses them for her hair.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.